Hey everyone, it's Laura with Everyday Edits, and I wanted to share with you a super easy Valentine craft that you can make in maybe 5 minutes. So here's the finished product. It's just Valentine's Garland, okay? And the supply list is super short as well. So this is what it looks like in the end, and this is what you're gonna need. I picked up these Valentine hearts at the dollar store, and they were already punched out, so it made it easy to thread your string or twine or yarn that you're going to use. But you could make your own hearts. You could tape the string to the back if you wanted, but I found these at the dollar store, so you might want to start there. And then you'll need, like I said, twine or ribbon. And then I realized that I had baker's twine, and so that works just as well. And because baker's twine is thin, it worked out to thread these hearts through. So you could do either. And there's no ruler involved. You just space them out how you want. I do like the fact that they weren't taped, because then it gave you the flexibility to move this along your twine. So maybe you could punch holes in your hearts if you didn't have them pre-cut. So that's it. This is what it looks like. And these are cute around a mantle or a windowsill, or you could even put them above your kitchen table on your light fixture. So have a great week, and thanks for stopping by. And you can see more 1 hour or less projects at everydayedits.co, like Colorado. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.